Rapid climate change affects the whole planet. But you might be surprised to know that one person, meaning you, can make a big difference. Doing your part to help the planet cool down starts with understanding something called your carbon footprint. Your carbon footprint is the amount of carbon dioxide created by the stuff you do in your daily life. If you're like most Americans, you consume energy for things like heat, light, surfing the web, watching TV, and getting from place to place in a car. Plus, the stuff you buy and use takes energy to make and deliver. So you're consuming energy when you say, buy a hamburger or a kiwi. As you already know, using energy is the biggest thing that makes planet-warming carbon dioxide. So should you stop heating your house, turn off all the lights, and never buy anything? Of course not. But you can use less energy in your everyday life, making your carbon footprint smaller. This isn't just better for the planet. It can save a lot of money, too. Easy, simple things can make a big difference. For instance, you can replace the bulbs in your house with energy-saving ones called compact fluorescents. These guys can reduce carbon dioxide by as much as 500 pounds a year per bulb. And don't forget to turn off the lights when you leave a room. You can also turn your thermostat down just a touch in winter and a little higher in the summer. Every 2-degree change saves another 500 pounds of carbon dioxide. When you can, try walking, riding your bike, or taking public transportation instead of going by car. This saves a lot of gas, and every gallon of gas you don't use reduces your carbon footprint by 20 pounds. Also, consider recycling if it's offered where you live. Recycling is important because it reduces the amount of stuff that has to be made from scratch, and that means less energy gets used up. These tips are just a start. There are many more things you can do to shrink your carbon footprint from the size of an elephant's to the size of a child's. If everybody does their part, the savings really add up, making an entire country's carbon footprint smaller. The point is, it's never a bad idea to think about the impact your daily life has on the planet. So get started.